Look at this. I'm going to teach you a super easy trick to turn any image into a gorgeous glass effect. Next, jump into the Elements panel and browse for any image that fits the look you want to create in your design. Just hit this button to duplicate your image. Now click on the Edit button, and once the settings open, scroll down until you reach the Effects section. There you'll see the Blur option. Go ahead and select it. After selecting the Blur option, you'll notice two choices, Brush and Whole Image. Choose Whole Image, set the intensity to around 81, then grab this handle and drag it upward to apply the effect. Now click on the corner rounding option and set it to about 61. You can adjust it by typing the exact number or simply dragging the handle until it reaches the level you want. Next, open the stroke style settings, choose the straight line option, and set the value to 11. Now click on the stroke color button and pay close attention here. This part is important. Scroll down to the default gradient colors and pick any style you like. Then scroll back up, tap this icon to open the gradient settings, and click again to access the full gradient controls. Click it, change the color, then swipe it from the first box to the second, just like that. Now go over to the Styles line and click on this color. Look at this. With this setting, your glass border isn't just a single color. It blends perfectly with the colors in your image. Now click on the text and just write whatever you want. Click here to change the text style, and then type the style you like into the search bar. Click on Advanced Settings and increase the letter spacing so it fits perfectly in your design. And that's it! Try these tips in your own design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Canva tricks. See you in the next video!